Question 15. The population of a town increases by 2% every year. After 2 years, the population is 83,232. We have to calculate correct to the nearest thousand the original population. So here, if the population is increasing every 2 years, increases by 2% every year, it means that it is being compounded. If the population is 1,000 this year, if it increases by 2%, it means 2% of 1,000 plus 1,000 will be the new population for the beginning of next year. So that is like a compound interest. So section A, I'm going to go straight forward and let the original population equals to P. If that's the case, by borrowing the formula, which is the final population, let me say P, this is the beginning, so let's say P naught and P equals to P naught 1 plus what? The rate raised to the power what? N, where the R is the rate, N is the number of years. So by substitution, since I'm dealing with section A, I just go ahead and have my 83,232 equals to P naught 1 plus. The R as a rate is in decimal, so 2%. That would be 0.02 raised to the power N, which is going to be 2 years. So fast forward, 83,232 equals to P naught multiplying 1.02 raised to the power 2. I think we can find the square of this and divide by that. So P naught will now be equals to 83,232 divided by 1.02 all square. I want to put all in the calculator at once and see that value. If you do that, you should be having 80,000 as the original population. So check and see. That will be the option what? A. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.